Samsung has already started fixing problems in the brand new One UI 9 beta for the Galaxy S26 series, and the company moved surprisingly fast this time. Just a couple of days after releasing the first Android 17 beta update, Samsung has now pushed out its very first hotfix update for beta users in the United States. And honestly, this quick response could be a very good sign for Samsung fans. For anyone wondering, a hotfix update is basically a small emergency software patch released shortly after a major update. These updates are usually focused on fixing critical bugs that could seriously affect the user experience. In this case, Samsung says the new update fixes an issue where mobile data was not working properly on some carriers. That's obviously a pretty big problem. Imagine installing a brand new beta update and then suddenly losing access to mobile internet while outside Wi-Fi coverage. For many users, that would instantly become frustrating, especially since smartphones depend so heavily on constant connectivity for messaging, navigation, streaming, and social media. According to Samsung, the issue only affected certain carriers, and so far the hotfix appears to be rolling out mainly in the United States. The update comes with firmware version F4.1UU2ZZG and has a download size of around 523 megabytes. Even though it's called a small hotfix, it's still a fairly large update because Samsung likely included additional stability improvements behind the scenes. Companies often use these patches not just to fix one issue, but also to quietly optimize other parts of the software before more users notice additional bugs. What's interesting here is the timing. Samsung only recently announced One UI 9.0 alongside the Galaxy S26 lineup, and the beta program opened almost immediately afterward. The company clearly wants to move faster this year compared to previous software releases. Many Samsung users still remember the delays and problems that happened during earlier One UI beta programs, especially the One UI 7 rollout situation that frustrated a lot of people. This time, Samsung seems determined to avoid repeating those mistakes. One UI 9.0 is based on Android 17, and while the update may not completely redesign Samsung's software, it still brings a number of useful improvements. Early beta users have already noticed changes to the quick panel customization system, smoother animations, updates to Samsung Notes, and improvements to Game Booster. Samsung also redesigned some system pop-ups and menus to make the interface feel cleaner and easier to use. One example is the updated location permission screen, which now makes it much easier to see whether an app is using approximate or precise location access. The company also upgraded Samsung Notes with a new feature called Tape, which allows users to hide parts of notes using decorative tape effects and reveal them later. It's a small feature, but it shows Samsung is focusing more on personalization and productivity. At the same time, Samsung is heavily pushing AI features through One UI 9.0. The software is expected to work closely with Gemini Intelligence, Google's newest AI system that focuses on advanced automation and smarter multitasking. This means Galaxy S26 users may eventually get AI features that can handle more complex tasks between apps, organize information better, and even create custom widgets based on simple text descriptions. But as exciting as all these new features sound, beta software always comes with risks. That's exactly why this hotfix matters so much. A company's reaction speed during beta testing tells users a lot about how serious it is about software quality. By releasing a fix only days after the beta launched, Samsung is showing that it's actively monitoring user feedback and trying to improve stability before the final public release. For Galaxy S26 users currently enrolled in the beta program, downloading the update is simple. Users just need to open Settings, go to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. Of course, if you're someone who prefers stability over early access features, staying away from beta software is still probably the smarter choice. Beta builds often contain hidden bugs, battery drain problems, app crashes, and performance issues that may not be fully solved yet. Still, this quick hotfix release could be a sign that Samsung is taking One UI 9.0 more seriously than ever before. And if the company keeps responding this quickly, the final Android 17 update for Galaxy devices might end up being one of Samsung's smoothest software launches in years.